welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Well, in today's recipe I'm going to show you a very simple chili cheese garlic toast which you can make as anytime snack item for yourself, for your family, whenever you're hungry. It's super simple with very few ingredients. So let's get started with today's recipe. So let's start with today's cheese chili toast recipe. So in a bowl, I'm going to be adding one light green chili cut up really fine. These are about 3 to 4 large garlic pods which I've cut fine. This is about 1 teaspoon of pizza pasta seasoning. Then I'm going to add about half a cup of cheese, grated cheese. Now I'm using regular processed cheese. Now I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and about a tablespoon of chopped up coriander, a few drops of milk, and I'm just going to mix this till I get a nice thick pasty consistency. So I've added about a tablespoon of milk. So mix this well. We don't want it to be very watery. It should be nice and thick like so you can apply it as a paste. Now I've got my flat iron pan heating up. I'm just going to butter the base of the bread. I'm using brown bread. You can use white bread or any bread of your choice. And I'm just going to spread this evenly onto the top of the bread. And then we're going to place it on our hot pan. Now, another way to do it is just put the butter, put the bread down and apply it directly onto the pan. See that it's evenly spread all over the bread slice. And then I'm just going to cover it with a lid, and we are going to cook it on a very low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes till all the cheese begins to melt. So since we've covered it, the cheese will start to melt. And once that is done, you can just, take it off and you can see that the base is nice and golden brown in color. So this is how it looks when the cheese begins to melt. And you can see that even the sides of the bread start to brown a bit. So that's when you can take it off. And you can check that the base is golden brown in color. So keep an eye on it, and your chili cheese toast is all ready. So let it come down to complete room temperature before you cut them up, or you can serve them like this, or you can cut them up into rectangles by just running the knife vertically, or you can cut them up into little triangles like I did by just cutting them diagonally. And you can serve this with some lovely tomato ketchup. This is really, really delicious and really filling too, and an ideal quick snack for kids. So I hope you give this recipe a try, guys. Friends, I hope you like this simple recipe of chili cheese toast. It is delicious, and you can make it for your kids or for yourself whenever you're hungry, and whenever, or you can give it as a snack or a breakfast item. It's really versatile. And if you like this video today, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, a small bell will show up, so click on that bell. That way whenever I put up a video on my channel, you'll get a message for the same, so you won't miss out any of my videos. Also, if you want to look out for any of my recipes on YouTube, just type the recipe in the YouTube search button, and just besides it type Akshata's recipes. For example, if you're searching for aloo parathas, just type aloo paratha Akshata's recipes and my recipe will come up first. Also, at the end of the video, 2 boxes will come up. Those are my videos. If you want to see them, just click on them. In the middle of the video, one line will come on top in white saying suggested. Those are also my videos. You can click on them. So saying all that, thank you so much for joining me today. and take care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I'll catch you soon in my next recipe, sooner than you think. Take care, guys. Bye.